The topic for this video are some of the best, most premium and most useful input devices for your PC or for your console. So let's go. Got the new drip straight from AliExpress, a premium Bluetooth controller, a foldable keyboard and the Razer Basilisk V3. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. We are back with another massive AliExpress special sale event. Tons and tons of unbelievable price slashes and offers throughout the bank. This is the summer Carneval, so check it out while it lasts and shop on AliExpress now with up to 90% price reductions. And we also have coupon codes below for extra discounts on top. So if you're looking for the newest tech gadgets, this is the perfect timing. AliExpress even offers free shipping for new users and free returns. And all in all, better choices at better prices than anywhere else on the web. You can pay with all major credit cards and debit cards, as well as PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and there are even pay later solutions like Klarna and Afterpay available. It is all listed and linked in the description. Check it out right now. Since I have to cover 3 items, I will have to move rather quickly. We have the 8-bit Do Ultimate Bluetooth controller, the Razer Basilisk V3, and a full-sized folding wireless keyboard. I will cover the unboxing, accessories and manual overview, as well as my first impressions and a close overview all in one segment. So let's start with this premium Bluetooth controller. We have the top, this with the small print, other side is just blank, and we have all the features on the back. You can use this for a Nintendo Switch or for any Windows system, Windows 10 or higher. So let's open these two, and just like that, we can slide off the cover. One more time, great protection, and check it out, here we have it. Let's remove this as well. So we have the controller itself and the stand. And other than that, wow, it will snap in place nicely. Yeah, other than that, we have the paperwork and the cable. This is used for hooking it up to any power source for charging it. So we have USB-A to USB-C, and the manual will unfold like that. Multi-language, precise and concise. Manual right there, all the connections, and of course, infos about the battery as well as about the manufacturer. Definitely a neat little package. Let's move that aside. And the controller itself feels really nice. We have the buttons on the underside, and yeah, wow, that indeed is a premium controller right here. And the dock looks really nice as well. We have the logo right there, nice rubber base for ultimate stability. Then inside here, we also have the USB receiver right here. Looks really cool. Great little compartment. Let's close it up, and right here we can power it over USB-C, and of course the charge base will keep the controller charged. And here we have it, 2 joysticks, really smooth. We have the joypad, the buttons, all the shoulder triggers, these buttons in the middle. Check it out, I just turn it on, and we have the 3 indication lights right there. And on the back we can switch between Bluetooth and 2.4G for the USB receiver, and these 2 buttons as well. Really cool. So this controller is clearly a 10 out of 10 in terms of quality, and again it snaps really nicely in place on the dock. Really dope. All right, and now let's move on. Another premium input device right here, the Basilisk V3 by Razer. We have this side and the back side with all the features. We have this bottom with all the small print and the top. So let's open it up by removing this first. There we go. Let's open it up. For gamers, by gamers. And here we have it. So on the bottom we have the paperwork in here, so let's cover the space immediately. Thank you letter and the manual. In here we also get a few stickers, multi-language of course. So we have the software, the layout and all the buttons right there. Really neat manual, and of course the device itself. So we have the cable in here and the mouse is right there, so check it out. I love Razer products, especially when you can get them for a super low price. Just look at that. We have the signature green USB plug and a super flexible sleeved cable right here. Smooth fabric with the rubber strap. And this mouse is of course cable bound. We have the bottom here, the profile switch. We have the side with 1, 2 and 3 buttons. The other side right here, super comfortable, grippy surfaces, and the click pads are just amazing. 2 more buttons on top and the wheel really nice. This is 100% genuine by Razer. This is not a fake product even though the price is so low. And lastly, We have this super affordable full-size folding wireless keyboard here on the back with all the features and specs. I have the touchpad version. We have this side and also this side. So let's open it up and let's pull out the tray. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging it, of course. And here we have it. Look at this compact form factor. Let's get it out. Super premium body. It has this fabric style and it's just super smooth and it just unfolds like that. Wow. Clicks in place super nicely. Boom, boom. Here's the manual in German right here. Oh yeah, that's just German, so I will just show it to you briefly. Bluetooth 5.1, all the gestures for the trackpad. Great manual as well. And the keyboard itself is super light and the buttons feel really great. Let's remove this one too. So we have the trackpad with the mouse buttons. This is Tech Magnet. Typing feels really nice, and this is what the mechanism looks like, really cool. So on the top we have the on-off switch and the USB-C port, and the other side is just blank. Super nice and small compact form factor, and it's magnetic as well, really cool. So this won't open up by accident, and unfolding it is really fast, really dope. That's really cool. Not bad, right? So let's get to a test. Let me start with my favorite input device, namely this premium Bluetooth controller. It is connected, and check this out, we have LEDs underneath signaling the charge status. I have the 2.4 GHz receiver plugged in, and now check this out. When you grab it, it will power on automatically. It will vibrate when it's connected, and we have the charge level down here. I'm using Windows 11 right here, and it got recognized immediately. And now check this out, a round of Helldivers. It works straight out of the box. Absolutely amazing. Still not that familiar with the controls. Ah yeah, all right, there we go. It works so nicely, straight out of the box, literally. Okay, so we have the aim, we have the shoot. We have the sprint, we have the reload. We of course have the controller settings right there. Let me mute the sound. And of course we can also configure everything in game. It's really precise and really responsive. This controller is amazing, and the vibration is nice and strong, and it just feels amazing in the hand. I really love using it. And aside from the great controller, we of course also have the keyboard and the mouse. The mouse is also just plug and play, and it looks absolutely amazing. We have the rainbow effect currently going. We have an LED strip on the bottom looking really cool, and it feels so amazing in the hand, and the color and everything is fully configurable. But first of all, let's get to the keyboard. So let's unfold it. With this one, we have the mouse integrated, as you know. So let's turn it on up here. We have the indicator light right there. With F and A, we can choose the channel, and with F and tab for 3 seconds, it will now start to blink. Now it's in the pairing mode, and now we can add a Bluetooth or another device, and check it out, BT 5.1 keyboard, and just like that, we have it connected. So translate, there we go. So we have the touchpad right there, click. Yeah, now we can type, test. Wonderful. This is an awesome keyboard. Let's go. And lastly, when it gets to the mouse, we have it right there, Razer Basilisk V3. And now check this out, massive customizability. We have different profiles. We can save it on a device or on the software. We have the scroll wheel, and most importantly, aside from the DPI and performance calibration, we have the lighting. So we can turn it off completely and turn it on, and of course make it brighter, way better. We can set the behavior, and we also have advanced lighting effects. And for this we have Chroma Studio, and here we can see all the RGB strips that we have, even segmented. It is absolutely amazing. Wave, and save that. And now look at that. Really, really awesome. This mouse is amazing. And not only the mouse, all 3 input devices are a clear 10 out of 10, especially for the price points during the sale. So go ahead, check it out. I can absolutely recommend it. 2 massive thumbs up from my side. So as you saw, even established brands and sellers are now available on AliExpress, but best of all, for the best pricing possible. Forget all the other online retailers. AliExpress during the summer carnival offers by far the lowest pricing during the special sales. It's always absolutely mind-melting and crazy what's going on. So use the time, enjoy the summer carnival, and grab some of the most premium items for the lowest prices of the whole year. Free shipping for new users and free returns. No No need to be afraid of scams. These are all legit products. And again, free returns, no issues whatsoever. Don't miss out. Up to 90% off. It's crazy. I will be there for sure, because the summer carnival is definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy, then I will see you soon.